Manulife Bank of Canada Honest App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a comprehensive banking app in Canada, Manulife Bank promises easy account management, investment tracking, and mobile payments, but is it the right fit for you? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile banking apps are just for checking balances. Manulife's app lets you view accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and track investments all from your phone. You can also set up alerts for transactions, helping you monitor spending in real time. Another advantage is integrated investment tools. The app provides insights into Manulife products like GICs, mortgages, and investment accounts. You can manage portfolios, view performance, and even apply for products without visiting a branch. This is particularly useful for clients who want to consolidate banking and investing in one platform. Security is also a strong point. The app uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and biometric login options to keep your information safe. Notifications for unusual activity add another layer of protection. However, there are cons. Some users find navigation slightly confusing, especially when switching between banking and investment sections. Certain advanced features, like detailed investment analytics, may only be fully accessible online. Occasional app updates can introduce temporary bugs, which may require troubleshooting. In conclusion, the Manulife Bank of Canada app is a versatile tool for anyone looking to combine everyday banking with investment management. The surprising truth is that while it provides a wide range of features, fully exploring them may require some time and familiarity with financial products. For Canadian customers seeking convenience, security, and integrated financial tools, Manulife delivers an efficient mobile experience, but be prepared to spend a little time learning the app to unlock all its benefits.